Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. I was going to show you something. Something I don't see very often. But you see the carpet strip right here? You put it around the edges to do a good job, stretch out your carpet. Well, they didn't want to fix the hole, so they just went around the hole so they could stretch the carpet and just let the hole and then put the carpet over it. Now, I don't know if that's a budget carpet thing or...
Well, it took more strip to go around the outside of it, probably.
They did not want to fix that hole, I can say that. But I suggest you should not do it this way. Ta-da! Just a tip. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.